Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Start by preparing the information you need to access your Google account. Have your email address or phone number ready for the Google sign-in. Use a secure Wi-Fi network or a trusted mobile connection before attempting to sign in. Close unnecessary browser tabs and update the browser to the latest version for security. If you use two-step verification, have your phone or backup codes ready. Consider using a password manager to store complex passwords safely and prevent typing errors during sign-in. Open your browser and navigate to Accounts. Google.com to begin sign-in. Enter your email address or phone number in the first field provided. Click Next and then enter your password carefully into the password field. Use your password manager to paste long passwords to avoid mistakes. If prompted, complete two-step verification using your phone, security key, or enter one of your backup codes. After successful verification, you will be signed into your Google account and redirected to your chosen Google service. If you cannot sign in, use the Recover Account link on the login page. Follow prompts to verify identity with recovery email, phone, or security questions. Reset your password and choose a strong, unique password when allowed by the flow. Update recovery email and phone settings and enable two-step verification for improved protection. Review recent security events on the Google Security Checkup page and sign out of unfamiliar devices immediately. Finally, update connected app passwords and revoke access for unused apps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.